Today's going to be a short and sweet one here at Eddie Studios. I'm going to show you how to do a Dutch tilt on PowerDirector. So we're going to get right into it. You might think, well, that's got to be easy. Well, you can't just throw your video right in there on the main timeline and start doing subtle tilts and stuff like that. You can, however, rotate it fully 90 degrees, but that's not what we want to do here. So let's go ahead and hop in there and hopefully you learn something. All right, we're in PowerDirector. To start your new project, and select your clip and go ahead and convert it if it's asking you to, because when you bring it on the next layer, you're going to need to convert it anyways. All right, so let's go ahead and go down here. So we're in the clip, and as you can tell on this, there's not an option to like zoom and rotate. You can rotate like 90 degrees, but that's not what we want to do here. So what we want to do is we want to take our clip, click and hold on it, and pull it down to the next layer. Once you're in this layer, it's treating it like an overlay, so you can do more stuff with it, different things with it. One of the things is on the bottom corner here, you see the little rotate. You can rotate it. So if you're going to do like a Dutch tilt, you're going to want to give it a rotate, check your angle, but you do have to zoom in. So you see like your gaps, you want to fill those gaps in. So you'll have to zoom in to fill your gaps in. And for this particular clip, I'm zoomed in, I got my tilt on it, and we're gonna play the clip. And you have your tilt. Now on the other hand, if you're already in your timeline and you want to add the tilt to a video that's not the first one you've already played, you already added this, you're trying to add another clip that's a tilt clip, you would just then click your layers button on the left over here, add your video into the next layer. It's going to want to convert that, because once you start layering them down on most phones, it's going to automatically want to convert it because your processor can't handle the full-size clip. And then go ahead and start messing with that clip. And yes, it's overlaid right now, but it doesn't need to be. I can bring it to the end, and then it can go from this clip to my next one, which has the tilt that I added to it. All right, so what do you think? Pretty easy, right? If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, more PowerDirector videos. And guys, check out my full playlist on PowerDirector. Maybe you'll learn something else about PowerDirector, something you might not even know yet. And I'll see you next week with more budget video editing and stuff like that. Peace out. Go shoot some fun. Don't be afraid to upload your stuff. Later, guys.